Hi there. Thank you for getting Artistly, and this is your welcome video. So first of all, in Artistly, there are many components and sometimes it will get overwhelming. So this will be a quick overview to kind of go through everything so you can understand where to go and where to navigate through the application. So first things first, there are step-by-step tutorials for the Artistly application. So you see this little question mark here on the top right, that is the tutorials tab. So if you click on that, you're going to see, hover over it, it's going to tutorials, and then it's going to land in the tutorials page where we have step-by-step tutorials for every single feature within the Artistly application, as you can see here. And since these are all on YouTube, you can also turn on captions or subtitles to watch them. And also, the other great part about Artistly is that we constantly make updates. So when you log into the application, once in a while, you'll see this little latest updates tab pop up, and it's going to just open up with all the latest updates we're making. So let's say, for example, Grunge Style Artistic Designer Tool. You click on this hover tab, and it's going to show you this feature, what we've added. And again, this is going to be a quick overview. Later on in the tutorials section, we'll go into detail on these features. And on top of that, all the updates we make are free for you. We've already done 5 version updates as of this video. We're planning on doing more. All of these will be free for every single Artistly user as a part of being part of this Artistly family. All right, now the next thing is the customer support and Facebook group. We have customer support teams working 7 days a week. And so that means even on a Saturday or a Sunday, you should be receiving a response back with our support team. If not, just watch out for your spam folder or somewhere else, which could have probably had that email land in. All right. So that is basically the support tab that you see in the middle here. So when you go in there, you're going to see a tab that goes in there. You click on it, and then you will see that right here, support@artistly.ai, that you can email our team. And although it says office is closed on weekends and holidays, we do have a staff that is available on weekends as well as of this recording. So again, don't be afraid to send us any emails on weekends. We'll be happy to get back to you. We also have our Facebook group and community. You'll see a link for that right below this video as well. So right underneath this video, you'll see a link to join our Facebook group as well, where you can interact with other Artistly users and share your designs and that sort of thing. Also, on the top, you're going to see this My Purchases tab. All right. It looks something like this, My Purchases. So what this is, now once you click on it, it's going to show you what you own. So Artistly comes in 2 variations. One is just the commercial license, and the other is where you get either the premium, or we also like to call it the unlimited plan, or even the elite upgrade. It's all the same. So basically, if you got the unlimited or premium plan, that includes everything. You don't have to buy anything extra. Or if you just got the commercial license, then you get an option to get the elite upgrade, which completes your Artistly purchase journey. And that is it. There's no additional upsells or anything like that for you to get as a part of Artistly. So if you do not have the elite upgrades, meaning you just bought the commercial basic account, you can always come into My Purchases, click on the check details option, and then you can buy that upgrade, and you can go straight to it and do so. Generally, it is where you're going to get it with the difference of the price between the unlimited or premium account, if you were to get it, versus the commercial license or the basic account. It will be the same difference. So it's not like you're paying more or less by coming in and getting it here. It's going to be the same. Now, one of the biggest requests that we get by far when it comes to Artistly is, hey, I have all these images that I'm creating within Artistly. So for example, if I go in here, I have my personal designs, I have all these images and designs and storybooks and everything else that I'm creating. I like that you're adding in all these features. I want to actually also create videos from these so I can publish them on YouTube or Instagram or TikTok or any social media platform like Facebook. So we've done something very special for you. All you have to do is that you can just, with a press of a button, integrate with our other application or sister application called Video Express and have all your Artistly designs and images to basically be turned into a video. Yes, into a video, so you can bring your images to life. Let me show you some examples.
Leo plays with his red car, while Mia cuddles her favorite doll. Leo races Zoom across the floor, making loud vroom sounds. Mia hums softly to Lily, brushing her doll's shiny hair. Leo glances at Lily, and Mia peeks at Zoom with curiosity. Leo couldn't wait. Today, Grandma had a surprise waiting upstairs. They stepped into the attic where dusty treasures waited in silence. Leo looked around in awe as Grandma whispered, "These are memories." His eyes sparkled as he pointed to a wooden chest full of secrets. With a creak, the chest opened. Inside were stories waiting to be told.
You can even turn realistic style photos like what you see right here in Artistly, or even this one with the cat here, as you can see here, as well into video. So 2D images into video, 3D, as I just showed you, as well as realistic. Let me show you a couple examples. As you can see on the videos right now, you have extreme fidelity. The images get turned into beautiful videos where you can control the actions any image is doing, or any person or object or animal is doing in the video with a simple text prompt. Whether it's dancing, jumping, running, whatever you desire, just with a simple text prompt. So all you need to do to make this possible, you need both the Artistly application as well as our sister Video Express application. And you just go into your Artistly user account. You see in this particular case, I have the user account on the top right. You're going to click on that and you're going to go to profile. And underneath the profile, there's going to be something called API information, something like this. And all you're going to do is you're going to click on this copy API key, which is basically your unique key for your unique account, which is if you copy this right here, and let me go into the Video Express application. There we go. You're in the application. You're just going to go to import media on the right here, import media. And then it's going to have an option called import from Artistly. And then you're going to click on import from Artistly, and boom, you're going to just paste this key. And then you're going to hit import. All your Artistly images are going to come into this application that you can then edit. So for example, I have some videos here, say for example, cartoon or realistic or whatever. I can just drag and drop into the timeline, add lip sync, add text effects, and anything and everything you can desire. Create consistent character videos and voiceovers. You get the point. The beauty here is that this integration is direct to create those really beautiful professional videos like I just showed you earlier, right within both applications. So because Video Express is our own application, we have special discount we're running for Artistly users, and Artistly users will be getting all the version updates we make for Video Express after you get it for free, meaning you just get Video Express once using the link below, which is a special discounted link. And then you have all the updates for free, similar to what we've done with Artistly, where 5 version updates were given for free so far. Video Express did a major version 2.0 update. You get it first before anyone else as well. And all the updates version 3.0 and so on for Video Express will be free for you as well. You're the grandfather in this lifetime deal plan for Video Express. So all the details are right below. Just click on the link below to get access to Video Express, our sister application that directly integrates with Artistly to turn your images into videos. Other than that, I look forward to seeing you on the inside of Artistly and enjoying using the application to create beautiful designs and that sort of thing, and turning these designs into video for a one-time payment using Video Express, the application that you can get using the link right underneath this, which perfectly integrates with this, comes with our same support team, the entire development team, and any updates you suggest that will make this integration better will be prioritized as you're an Artistly customer and a Video Express customer as well once you get Video Express using the link below. Thank you for watching.